Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to secure QuickBooks with password protection. We're going to use QuickBooks Online's built-in Close the Books feature to require a password before anyone can change finalized data. This is especially helpful after you've finished a month, quarter, or year and want to protect prior period reports from accidental edits. Start by signing into QuickBooks and landing on your main dashboard. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click the gear to open your company and account controls. In the panel that appears, choose Account and Settings. This opens a new window with categories listed down the left side. Click the Advanced tab. This section holds your company-wide accounting preferences. Scroll down until you reach the Accounting section, sometimes labeled near the Accounting Method options. This is where the Close the Books setting lives. Open that area to view more options. Now turn on Close the Books. When you enable this, QuickBooks can warn users or require a password before any changes are made to transactions dated on or before your close date. To tighten security, select the option that says Allow changes after viewing a warning and entering password. This ensures that even if someone tries to adjust a close period, they must provide the password first. You'll see fields to enter and confirm the password. Click into the first field and type a strong, memorable password. Then click into the second field and retype it to confirm. For best results, use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that's easy to guess. Store this password in a secure place and share it only with trusted administrators who truly need access to prior periods. Once you've reviewed your choice and the password fields, you can back out if you're just exploring these settings. Click Cancel to exit without applying any changes. This is useful if you're walking through the process and want to finalize it later with your team or after setting an appropriate close date. That's it. You now know where to find the Close the Books controls, how to turn them on, and how to require a password for any edits to close periods. Using this feature helps maintain clean books, protects historical reports, and gives you a clear audit trail for any necessary adjustments. When you're ready to lock things down for real, return to this same spot and apply the settings with the password you've chosen.